Hello, and here's us. Today I'm talking about my assessment 3 presentation of my design outcome. And this is my content. According to the survey, too much information is merged during the week, and overload of information, entertainment information, disturbed the neural Chinese student during the week. Especially some Chinese students face information gap at the beginning of the study board life. This information gap are mainly problems. So providing the Chinese student with more rational access to this information in a way that they can familiar before they come here may be a bad solution to solve the confused situation during the week times. And this is my how my way statement. My concept framework is how my way reduce and solve the information gap of neuro for Chinese students during the week, enhance their familiarity with the unknown life in city and what the prioritize of week activities. And for end of user needs, I want to find friends and partners who go a week together, and I need to hear others share about a week content to determine if you want to go here. And I need to get a week information in a way that I'm familiar with, and I want all the information at a glance. And this is my persona. This is the president I found before, which is the platform of WeChat mini program and Xiaohongshu from the uh, Chinese platform. And this is my iteration part. First part is the mind map. I generate for 3 ideas. And this is the iteration of Scamper. And this is platform I use in during the design process, which is WeChat and Figma. Figma is a design tools used for creating user interface, website, and mobile apps, and other digital products. And this is my design brief, a mini program within WeChat called Small Guiders. About about my design brief, the final design concept is a mini program through a WeChat platform. This mini program is designed to address the needs for Chinese students coming to Australia to reduce the information gap and thus improve the overall week experience and mobility. The UNSW small guide is included in the app, so users can search for in the WeChat before they arrive in China and bookmark the app. Through the app, the end of user can find out all the events that happen and will happen in the week and some recommend activity and events. Those activity will be organized and prioritized in the app. And this is the app paper prototype which is used to test the concept, functions, and devices tools used in the future. You can see the right words, which is the uh, functions, and bottom may use in the future design. And after the iteration one, I use the SyncCloud to test, and there are some concrete tasks. The first one is tell me if you can find the week activities introduction you want to attend the most. And second concrete task is the tell me if you can through the WeChat to check the student email. The concrete task 3 is tell me if you can find your prioritized activity and remind it in the day. And this is a template I used for the SyncCloud. And based on the first iteration, I gained some feedback after the iteration one and SyncCloud usability testing. I gained some feedback that accessible for the Chinese student and pre-learning about a week is a great concept. But some of the students like to some interesting, unique things to the mini program, like the visual and how this interest and where the uh, gift and for this concept and events. And second is my storyboard. You can see the storyboard one. I saw the poster in the Chinese and scan the QR code and follow them, and then and click the WeChat. Open the small guider to check the events and activity. Book the activity before they come here, and then when they come here, they can arrive the awake quickly and go to the destination to find they want to go. And I gained some feedback, which is the storyboard drawing is not very complete. And I hope to learn more about the process of advanced learning, pre-learning at home, the personal page I'm not learned during this testing process, and also how can I receive the message from Outlook student email. And I use the interview in this part. The last part is the high fidelity prototype. You can see this is the main page. So providing a quickly platform for Chinese students to learn about the culture and all week in advance and provide the ability to convert between Chinese and English. The go-to is it can help Chinese students to understand all week and about email and read some experience of the seniors. And this is the final design mockups. And this is the video I want to show for us. And you can say click to use English. If you like this, you can remind and go timeline. You can click them again. Remind me. Click them to say the specific information. And go back to the search part. Find the seniors experience and go the profile. Bound your Outlook here. Allowed and setting page. And when you open it, click them, you can see the Outlook notice. That's all. And this is my conclusion. Thanks for listening. And this is my reference.